After Bollywood actress and newly elected BJP MP Kangana Ranaut was allegedly slapped by a CISF constable at the Chandigarh airport, an FIR has now been registered against the accused constable Kulwinder Kaur in Punjab. Now, Kaur has been booked under sections 323, which is voluntarily causing hurt, and 341, which is wrongful restraint. This is all, of course, under the Indian Penal Code. However, no arrest has been made so far. Now, following the incident, Kangana has sought security from the Himachal Police as well, with the DGP, Dr. Atul Verma, confirming that protection will be provided as per the Joint Security Review Committee's instructions. The incident reportedly occurred before Kangana boarded her flight to Delhi. And on arriving at the Indira Gandhi International Airport, Kangana had informed the CISF officials, leading to Kaur's initial detention and subsequent suspension. The constable stated that she was upset because of the kind of statements made by Kangana during the farmers' agitation. Meanwhile, farmer unions like the SKM and the Kisan Mazdoor Sangharsh Committee have announced their support for the suspended CISF constable. And because Kisan unions have announced their support for the constable, they're actually going to be escalating that support by conducting protests against Kangana Ranaut. That's actually going to be slated for tomorrow itself. And when it comes to this particular incident, there are no visuals that have come out, no CCTV footage which has come out of the actual incident, but there is CCTV footage of the aftermath. And those are the visuals that we're showing you on your screens at this point, where you can see, of course, multiple security personnel surrounding Kangana as well. There's also been massive fury over the fact that another individual seems to be slapping another woman in that video itself, which was released after this incident took place. There has been fury over that. But again, when it comes to the action that's been taken on the constable itself, an FIR has been registered against the constable. Beyond this, the constable has been suspended. But again, the police have said that no arrests have been made. Now, why exactly did this incident occur? Of course, there are multiple condemnations about the fact that physical assault shouldn't have taken place, regardless of any opinion. But when it comes to the constable, she had actually made a statement at the Chandigarh airport itself that was caught on camera about why she did what she did. Now, what she had said at that point was that she had lashed out at Kangana Ranaut's previous remarks about the farmers' protests. Now, what she had said was that the ladies who were taking part in the farmers' protests were there because they had been paid 100 rupees. Now, the constable had said that this remark is something, of course, that angered her because her mother was one of the protesters who took part in the farmers' protests. And that seemed to be the crux of this entire incident. But again, when it comes to the action that's been taken against the constable, there's been no arrest until now. There has been a suspension of the constable. Kangana Ranaut, in fact, has also come out and made her own statement on this. What she has said is that she is completely fine, but she also wanted to draw attention to the fact that there seems to be growing terrorism and extremism in the state of Punjab. Now we're crossing over to my colleague Manoj to get us more on this. Manoj ji, क्या जानकारी है आपके पास?
देखिए, जिस तरीके से हादसा हुआ, जो घटना हुई है, जिस तरीके से कंगना रनौत को चंडीगढ़ एयरपोर्ट पर थप्पड़ मारा गया सीआईएसएफ की लेडी कांस्टेबल के द्वारा, उसके बाद सुरक्षा को लेकर लगातार सवाल उठ रहे हैं। कंगना रनौत ने इसी को लेकर अब हिमाचल पुलिस से गुहार लगाई है और जो जानकारी हमें मिली है, बाकायदा उन्होंने एक पत्र लिखकर जो हिमाचल प्रदेश के डीजीपी हैं उनसे कहा है कि उनको सुरक्षा व्यवस्था मुहैया कराई जाए और इसको लेकर जो हिमाचल पुलिस है वो भी एक्टिव हो गई है। हिमाचल प्रदेश पुलिस उनके जो थ्रेट परसेप्शन है और जो भी हालिया घटनाक्रम हुआ है उसको देखते हुए, उसका रिव्यू करते हुए जल्द ही उनको सुरक्षा भी मुहैया करा सकता है। जी।